Why's it gotta be so complicated? Maybe this love thing's overrated. My feet in the sand, my face in my hands. I know it's my fault cause I never make plans. And now you're telling me you love me, but you don't even know me. I'm down to hang, but if you're falling, do it slowly. Yeah, cause I've been thinking lately.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, please don't forget to join our growing family here in my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe and the bell button beside it so you'll be notified whenever I have a new upload. If you're already a subscriber, hi and welcome back again! So in today's video, as you can see sa title, I'm gonna share with you another product review. So if you wanna know more about it, then just keep on watching! Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored at all. I actually got this as a birthday present from my husband. This was actually one of my wish lists and I'm so happy that finally it's here. I got it. O diba hindi na uso yung mga flowers and chocolates? Instead yung mga ganito na like appliances, vacuum, katulad nito, diba? Very adulting na talaga, which is better naman, diba? Kasi kumbaga nagpapaka-practical lang naman sa panahon ngayon. But I have nothing against those who like to receive and to give flowers and chocolates. Gusto ko rin naman yun. But as for now, happy talaga ako sa binigay ng asawa ko. Kasi talaga magagamit ko talaga and magagamit talaga naming lahat dito sa bahay. So moving on, here's the star for today's video, a wireless vacuum from Samsung. The Jet 90E Complete Stick Vacuum Cleaner in the colors silver and white. It comes with accessories that you can change to with the main stick depending on your needs when cleaning or when using the vacuum. The runtime is about 40 minutes and the charging time is 210 minutes or 3.5 hours. The capacity of the dustbin is 0.5 liters. Suction power is very strong with up to 150 watts. Maximum consumption power is 410 watts. Its motor is digital inverter, so that's another best thing about this. The battery type is Lion and the voltage is 21.6. It has two kinds of brushes, the Turbo Action Brush, which is the main, and it also has the Soft Action Brush. Z-Station Charging Stand. It is where the vacuum can be charged and parked. It is powerful yet lightweight with a weight of 2.6 kilograms, which doesn't strain my wrist at all while cleaning around the house. The buttons are in LED display. It keeps air cleaner because of its 99.999% multi-layered filtration system. It can be used on carpets as well as on hard floors. The telescopic pipes can also be adjusted across 4 levels to get the most ergonomically comfortable while cleaning around the house. The dustbin can be cleaned and emptied easily. The whole dustbin, including the multi-cyclone system, is fully washable, so it can be kept clean and fresh. It can also be removed without detaching the pipe from the handheld body, so we can easily tip out the dust. When it comes to the durability of the vacuum, I must say it is very durable since we already dropped it accidentally a few times already, but it's still working so well until now. We did not encounter any problems ever at all so far. And we picked this cordless vacuum from the brand Samsung. It is because we trust the brand, which is the Samsung, because most of our appliances here in the house are from the brand Samsung. It is already proven and tested based on our experience from our TV, air conditioner, refrigerator, and now the vacuum. Showing you our old vacuum, which has already served us for many years. This is not cordless and it is hose type, so it is very hassle to use and not convenient at all. But we are still grateful for this, but it is now time for us to upgrade. I'm sure you are curious about how much is the price of the vacuum, so we bought it at 32,500 pesos. So my overall rating for this vacuum cleaner is 5 out of 5. Obviously, I love all of its specifications and level of performance, and it is totally worth the upgrade, and for its price value, I highly recommend it. We really love it here in the house because aside from me, my husband also loves to use it. Even my kids love it too as well. It is very convenient and hassle-free, easy to use anytime and anywhere. And also it is space saver. It is classy and minimalist looking. This has been very helpful to us around here in the house. Imagine we have 3 kids and we have no helper at all. So this is really a lifesaver for us here in the house, especially for me that I'm doing the cleaning around here most of the time. So right now, because of this new vacuum, I don't consider cleaning a burden for me anymore. I enjoy cleaning here and there, no more bad days for me. And hashtag no yaya, no problem. This is really a total lifesaver for us here. So for those of you who are still thinking of buying a new vacuum or having a second thoughts of upgrading your old vacuum, I hope that I gave you an idea and I hope that you find this video helpful and interesting. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and comment your thoughts about this vacuum, or if you have any comments, thoughts, suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. And I'm really happy and excited to talk to you in the comment section. Share this video to your family and friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video.
Maybe we're too intoxicated, trying to have sober conversation. I'm saying I'm fine, we both know I'm lying. With you in that dress, girl, there ain't no denying, yeah. But that's the point I'm trying to get to, with every single issue and everything that you do.